Eastern Nagaland Legislature Union on Sunday has appealed the Eastern Nagaland Gazetted Officers Association to mediate between the Eastern Nagaland People's Organization and Enlu with regard to the deadlock on the issue of Frontier Nagaland statehood demand. The union, on behalf of 20 elected members of the Eastern Nagaland from Legislative Assembly, has appealed the Engoa to go through the issue of Frontier Nagaland statehood demand as well as the participation of the different tribal units under the ENPO jurisdiction in the upcoming Hornbill festival. The ENSLU is one of the stand that the statehood demand is a political issue and Hornbill is a cultural issue, and added that both the subjects should not be clubbed together. The union also remarked that the Hornbill shows the rich culture of the land to the world and those opportunities should be accepted with open arms. Therefore, the union appealed the Eastern Nagaland Gazetted Officers Association to initiate the matter as soon as possible.
Piles Care Center, address Burma Camp Walford Road, opposite Police Point, Dimapur. Contact number 9863758600, 690-971-7178.